The most common safety issue observed during temporary housing is the prime contractor not ensuring subcontractors understand USACE safety requirements. Some of the hazards associated with temporary housing include falls from the roof, shock or electrocutions from digging excavations. Be sure to call the utility company to test and verify the presence of energized lines. Also, the lack of GFCIs and equipment grounding for hand tools. Heavy equipment. Trenching and excavation safety. Remember, if a trench is deeper than 4 feet, it must have safe access. And if it's deeper than 5 feet, protection shall be provided in accordance with the EM 385 and OSHA standards. Lastly, potential formaldehyde inside the trailer that hasn't been allowed to off-gas properly.